Hey y'all. Hate this, my arm's not quite long enough. Gotta hold it way on out here. Well, here, let me just move this around and maybe I can make something else work. This second here. Ah, maybe that will work. I hate for you all to be looking at my nose, but I wanted to do a bits video. Now, many of you already know that I have really lousy internet here. When I started out, I was using CenturyLink. The best they could offer me was 0.10 megabytes per second, and that's their highest speed that you can pay for. Period. No matter where you live at with them. But all I'd get was 0.10 megabytes per second. I could get by with that if I was just watching videos, but not participating in any live stream. So I went on the search and finally decided to look for another carrier, see what I could do. Well, satellite's just too expensive. I ain't going to even go there. So I got myself a T-Mobile, and initially I was really happy with T-Mobile. But I was also warned. Boy, should I have listened. What T-Mobile has done is when I first got it, I had like 2.5 megabytes per second upload, 1.5 to 2 megabytes download. Now I get anywhere from 0.10 megabytes per second download to maybe 0.50 megabytes per second download. Kind of slow. Just not really happy with it. And they told me that they could speed it up by if I got this new phone, so I got this new phone. Well, it even got worse. With the new phone that they probably, because it has like 600 and 556 gigahertz or something more on the bandwidth, supposed to really help on the internet. Now, what it ended up actually doing when I activated the new phone is when I'm out of data, I have absolutely no internet at all on it, whatsoever. I can still get internet on my wife's phone, but on my phone, nope, can't even access internet. Not even during the off times when nobody's on it. I mean, I just can't get internet. So I got a little irritated, and I started doing some more shopping around. And I came across Google Fi. And I ordered it about 5 days ago, and it just came in the mail today. It's right here. I'm really pissed off at myself, not at Google Fi over this. I should have read a little bit further. It said that they use multiple towers. I just assumed that, well, probably a good chance that they use Verizon towers. You know, they're bouncing off of different ones. No, they don't use Verizon towers. They use the same towers as T-Mobile. Not having used any data on here at all, I can't get enough internet here off this Google Fi phone. I can't get enough internet off of it to even activate the phone. So this phone is worthless to me. I've got to mail it back. My real beef with Google Fi is there's nobody you can talk to. I can't find any place whatsoever, a phone number to call, live chat on the internet to communicate with somebody, nothing. I can't find any place what do you do to send it back? So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to go to my bank and tell them to cancel a payment. And I'll just mail this back to their main office. I don't know what else to do. They're not giving me any options. I've been hunting around, and I cannot find what they're saying to do to return this. Google Fi is has very lack of information. I would highly recommend anybody that's interested in doing the Google Fi thing, check a whole lot more deeper. You know, first of all, find out, because they use Sprint, US Cellular, and T-Mobile are the three towers that they use. Make sure that you have good phone service or capabilities with those three companies. Otherwise, you're not going to be any better off. You need the Google Fi needs one of those three towers, and those three towers just suck, flat out suck in my area. They're worthless. Also, make sure you know before you order it what the return policy is, where, with the link where what the process of what you're going to need to return it if it doesn't work out for you, because you're going to be going through hell like I am trying to figure out how you can return it so you're not going to get billed on the next month's statement. And hopefully I get my money back on what I already spent on it. But my next goal is that I want to try, and actually I feel pretty safe with it, is Verizon. Unless, and this is where y'all come in, okay? I need some help, not financially or anything like that. I need some help, other information, if there's other access, and don't even bring up any of the satellite dishes. I won't go there. I mean, I've checked them all out. Unless you know one that's truly unlimited high-speed internet, great. But I haven't found a single one that's truly a high-speed internet. I was talking to Junkyard, and he was talking about this device that worked off hotspots or something, and I would like to find out more on that. And it's supposed to be like free internet, because that's what Google Fi was talking about too, is they pull off of some free internet to access sites, at different places. So, I just don't know what to say on that. I'm kind of stupid at that type of stuff. But if anybody knows of a spot where you can get free internet, where you just got to buy a device to connect to it or whatever, I'd be very much interested in knowing about that stuff and being able to do a little bit of research on it to find out if I could get the speed that I'm going to need or want out here for free internet. Otherwise, I'm going to be going with Verizon. Their prepaid plan is $65 a month. It says unlimited, I'm sure, but after you use like 22 gigabytes of data or something like that, then they deprioritize you. In other words, you'll still have good internet speed with off-peak hours and stuff, but when it's peak hours, when people are using it, not so fast then. But I can live with that. I know my brother came on down here, and he has Verizon, and he got exceptional service here with it. So that's where I'm at. I only need, realistically, I can get by comfortably with 2 megabytes per second upload and download. That would be awesome if I could get anything near that. But I would appreciate anybody that can give me some feedback on that, where to turn, where to go, because I'm definitely needing some better internet. That's one of the things that kind of holds me up, and it's such a battle to upload videos and do different stuff. It's just, I've kind of gotten out of the mood. I want to get back into doing some more videos, but I don't know. I've got to find something that's available to me. Of course, that's not going to cost an arm and a leg. I don't want to spend out no $1,000 to get actually set up with something. I don't mind spending $100 or $200, but not no $1,000 to get set up, and don't want to set up a huge monthly payment either for the service. So anyway, if any of y'all know anything that you have any suggestions on out there, this is not going to be my typical type of video, that I'm going to be doing on my Grizz 270 channel. But I figured I'd put this one up on that channel because I get more watch from people, so I might get a few more suggestions rather than putting it on my Alf 270 channel. Keep an eye out. I do have more videos planned to make. I just got to get to do them. I got to finish the greenhouse. Believe it or not, I still haven't finished it. Anyway, yeah, a little bit of frustration. I've got flies flying all over here. Man, that's the problem with having farm animals such as chickens. Anyway, folks, I do appreciate your input, and I do want to remind people, I do read all the comments. I don't respond. I'm horrible at that, but you would think that I would enjoy responding, but I don't like typing unless I got something stupid to say. Did I say that right? I always got something stupid to say. Anyway, y'all come back now, yeah. Bye.